You recording right now?
Yeah. Go ahead.
It's gonna hurt.
Let's do it. Does that hurt? Pick it up and bring it down here and throw it. Here, take the camera. It's still going. Still going.
It would suck if it hit the house. Shit. We're gonna stand it. We're gonna stand.
I can't do it. Oh, it hurt too bad.
Can we do it?
Yeah, go ahead. Don't hit the bike. Okay.
Dude, was that the plate that was inside of it?
Ready?
Is that the inside plate? Dude, here, take it. They're all going in with their dogs. Stomp its ass.
I'm gonna drop it off the tall place.
Shit, I'm getting back.
Get back.
Here, take the camera, let me do it.
This won't destroy.
Yeah, it won't destroy my ass. What the?
We done?
That hurt a lot.
We done?
No.
Still going. Just go for it. Just slam it. Here, I'm gonna jump on it. I'm gonna jump on it.
Okay. Where's my
Put it right there. Right? Here.
I'm too afraid to jump on it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, we got that part off.
Here, hold it. Hold the camera.
I'll put it upside down.
Heavy.
Bet that hurt.
Oh, yeah. You get steel toe. This thing's dying.
Okay, let me take one more and then we'll end this. Here.
No, we just keep doing it. Yeah, we need
We're gonna.
need
This thing can only be 10 minutes.
So it's only like, what, 2 minutes?
Yeah. 3:25. Go ahead.
Dude, I'm doing it.
And it's going. Yeah, don't.
It's exploding.
Yeah, it's going through. It's weakening. Okay, one more good throw here. Here, take it.
One more good throw?
Here.
Shit, my foot hurts.
It's gonna cut.
I cut my shoe. Shit.
Got that off. That's what's heavy.
Cool, just left with the base. Must be something to do.
Let me get something heavy.
Yeah. For real.
Yeah, watch your feet. Don't break your
Glass
ankle.
everywhere.
Don't break your ankle. Yeah, see this. This is glass.
Hey,
Go.
you don't need a microwave, do you?
No.
Sweet.
What, dude? Why would we be destroying this thing then? That it's all gonna go thrown away.
It just sliced my hand.
Alright, let's stop. Call us quits. This is what it looks like.
Okay, let's go watch inside where we see it, because this is